Hello and welcome to Dama, and we must find something. Top 2 website for free games. First one is best, I think. This is the Skid Row, where you can download the game easy. Just click there, and this is a description: download, system requirements, screenshot, gameplay and info. How to, when you download, you can start and play. This is the system requirements, and in this description download you can download. This is the Lynx Mega Outbox Itcher. You must have a torrent for this. Just click on this, and when this screen appear, just download and open it, and your torrent is downloading for free. When it's downloading, install and play for free. And number two is Grow Torrent. It's also for free games, where you can see the Borderlands, you can see John Wick. Just go in this, click, and voila, it's downloading. Okay, this is it, guys. Goodbye, subscribe and follow.